Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we're going to make some amazing jerk chicken together. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen, and make sure that you turn on that post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have some drumsticks. They're already cleaned and washed nicely. And guys, make sure that you wash your chicken nicely. Make sure that you clean them up, get rid of any feather, anything that you know is not supposed to be on the chicken. So I will go in and add some vegetable oil. You can add some olive oil if you have olive oil at home. I will also go in and add some blended green seasoning, and yes, there is a recipe on my channel for the blended green seasoning. I will also go in and add some of Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, and you can always go ahead and make your own jerk seasoning. And I will also add some powdered seasoning. All of the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box, so you can always go ahead and check that out. Once I add all of that powdered seasoning, I will go ahead and just combine everything well, because yes, you want to ensure that your chicken is nicely seasoned. And if you're going to jerk your chicken, guys, make sure that you season it properly, and make sure that you season it at least an hour before you go ahead and jerk it. Give it like a time, to soak up all of that goodness, because we don't want any unseasoned chicken around here. So once our chicken is nicely seasoned, what I like to do, I like to just go ahead and cover it up and just put it aside, and then I will go on the outside and light up my grill. Some persons tend to do the oven jerk. If that's what you want to do, you can always go ahead and do so. Now I will go ahead and just add my chicken to my jerk pan, and of course you don't want a big fire underneath it. You want just a small fire, because it's the smoke that is gonna cook your chicken. So once you add your chicken, you just cover it and allow it to just cook nicely for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and flip it over. So every 20 minutes we're gonna check on it. As I said, you don't need a big fire underneath it. Just a small fire will work perfectly fine. And again, you don't want the outside of your chicken to cook and then the inside is not cooked properly, so you just have to make a little fire. So we're just gonna turn the chicken on the other side, because yes, you want it to cook on the outside nicely, and we also want the inside to cook nicely as well. You can always go ahead and have this with some rice and peas. You can make some festival, some bami. You can have it by itself with some ketchup. However you want, you can always go ahead and do so. Just let me know in the comment section which you prefer. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once it's nice. It start to change the color, and I will also show you guys what I serve mine up with. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna continue to flip our drumsticks, and they're coming along quite fine. Color starts to change, which is perfect. I don't like white jerk chicken. I like nice color, nice golden color on my chicken. I like it, really crispy and nice. Some persons like it when it's white. I prefer it this way. So once the drumsticks are nice, they jerk, it should look something like this. So we're just gonna take it up, because we don't want them to dry out. We want them to be moist, and hence the reason I add the oil. So once I remove all of the drumsticks, I will show you guys what it looks like, and again I'll show you guys what I serve mine up with. You can check out the description box for all of the ingredients used, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So these are my drumsticks, looking really good. I serve mine up with some veggie, and of course I have some rice and peas and a little bit of jerk sauce on the side. So you guys can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this one. Bye guys.